Yeah, I'd be a 1 on the scale by the sounds of it. I think it sounds like there's a scale. What is it, 1 to 5 or a 1 to 10?
1 to 5.
1 to 5, yep. Okay, so I'll be a 1. I'll give myself a 1.
So my name is Pooja Kataria. I live in Manreva in Auckland. And my level will be in theory maybe 1.5 because I start learning theory because I start doing my early childhood education. So where I'm doing bilingual English and Māori. So
yes, so I'll say I'm about a 3.
We'll
just keep it in the middle.
I'm gonna say that I'm probably I'm gonna be safe and say I'm number 1. Then you won't expect anything from me, too much from me.
Yeah, if Veronica's a 1, I must be at least a half, I think, down on that scale.
Probably a 1.5. Had a koro growing up that spoke fluent reo, but he kind of never shared that with us. So
I would probably class myself as probably a 1.5.
So my name's Kyle. I'm from Auckland, and I'm just starting out, so I'm a bit of a 1.
Start the real side of things. My rating would be about starting point. And that's where I'm at the moment.